This is Leeds House by Stanza Living. Located in the Koramangala area, Leeds House is one of a kind to say the least, whether in a mood for shopping or eating out. Nexus Mall is just right across the road. Popular outlets like the Koramangala Social and Crawl Street are also in close proximity. Also, with Accenture offices at a short distance, never be late for work again. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our app-based entry procedure and a 24/7 surveillance system, best believe that you're in safe hands. Now, as you make an entrance, head on towards the recreational zone. Hang back and relax or indulge in a game of carom. A high-speed Wi-Fi zone, which is also a cozy little space for you to lounge with your friends. Moving on, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. And here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. A comfortable bed, study, cupboard, an attached bathroom that's always kept fresh and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. So be rest assured and have yourself a comfortable stay. Now as we further head upstairs, we're greeted with an enormous dining room where you can treat yourself to some lip-smacking food prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI approved kitchen, ensuring proper hygiene and health safety for you at all times. With an in-house pantry that's fully equipped with a microwave, toaster and a hot plate, cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. Or watch your favorite shows or movies. So make the most of your time. This place is bound to be your favorite for sure. We know we have convinced you, so come live that Stanza life. Leeds House is waiting for you.